Hey guys, if you are facing the PhotosApp.exe application error, or if the Photos app is crashing or not opening at all, here is a simple and effective trick that can help you fix the issue. Press the Windows key, type cmd and run the command prompt as an administrator. Once it opens, you need to run the following 3 repair commands one by one in the correct order. So copy the first command from the video description box, paste it here, and press enter to execute this command. This will scan the system image for any corruption issues. This is the next command, copy it from the description box, paste it here and press enter to run it. So let it finish. Finally, run the SFC scan using the third command. This scan will check for and repair any corrupted or missing system files, which can help resolve various system problems and improve stability in your system. So let it finish. Once all 3 commands are done, restart your PC and your problem should be gone. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.